How to start a composite rebar production in 2026. The building materials market is already split. It's too late to enter industry. You need hundreds of millions and years of construction. But what if I told you that in 2026, you can launch a building materials production in a space the size of an auto shop and reach stable operation in just a couple of weeks? Let's look at a specific example where a launch is possible without years of construction and a huge staff. One such format is the production of composite rebar. This is no longer an experimental niche, but a material that is gradually taking its place, where the use of metal becomes economically unjustifiable. Why do people even buy this material? They don't buy it because it's new. They buy it when they're counting their money. Composite rebar is chosen where the final cost of the structure is more important than the habit of using metal. Steel is heavy, prone to corrosion, and increases transportation and installation costs. In some tasks, this is acceptable. But in mass construction, especially in low-rise buildings, foundations, industrial floors, and groundworks, the customer increasingly considers the full life cycle. And this is where composite starts to win. Structures last longer without repairs. Installation is faster, delivery is easier. Demand is not shaped by advertising, demand is shaped by the project's economics. What does production look like in practice? Expectation, a factory with overhead cranes. Reality, a single production line instead of dozens of machines, a continuous cycle line. The material goes through several processing stages and emerges as finished rebar. The production is more like a technological setup than a heavy industrial site. Usually, a space from 180 square meters is enough. No overhead cranes, reinforced foundations, or major building renovations are required. You need electricity, ventilation, water supply, drainage, and proper production management. The finished product is lightweight, so storage and shipping are simpler than in most building material productions. How does it work on the shop floor? This is not a craft production. Stability is what matters here, not expert hands. The process is designed for repeatability. At the start, a small shift is usually enough. An operator, a packer, and someone to oversee the process. Modes are set in advance. The equipment maintains them in automatic mode. The staff's job is to monitor the line's stability and pack the finished product, not to make each item by hand. How is the product manufactured? Usually it's a technological chain. Fiberglass is taken, soaked in a binder, passes through heating and profile forming, polymerizes, is pulled and cut to size. At the end, you have finished rebar of a set diameter. The line runs continuously. As long as there's raw material, there's product. It's simple, load it, set the modes, monitor the parameters, and the line steadily produces the footage. The economic component. The main question isn't what we produce, but how we make money. In this business, not only the product is important, but also the cost structure. There's no metalworking here, no constant replacement of cutting tools, and no heavy machine repairs. The main expenses are raw materials, wages, and electricity. The economics are more predictable, fewer variables, and it's easier to calculate margins. How does the launch go? The biggest mistake is to buy the line first and then think about who to sell to. First, the premises and basic infrastructure are prepared, then the equipment is installed and set up. After the launch, there are test batches and stability checks. Once the process is refined, regular shipments begin. If work with clients is started in advance, production reaches a normal rhythm just a few weeks after the start. It's not years of waiting, it's a manageable project. If you're considering launching composite rebar production in 2026, it's important to calculate the model specifically for your conditions, region, capacity, sales channels, and launch formats. Leave a request via the link in the description. We'll calculate the cost of opening a production line specifically for you for free and show the real project economics without the fluff, with figures and a specific launch plan. And then you'll make your decision based on calculations, not emotions.